may not work, but iTalks is also a old brand in India. During the first wave of digitization in the banking, TFL space in the early 2000s, the PSU bank had decided to adopt the TDA, Total Branch Automation. I'm sure many of you have been in business from that time.
एल्टास कंप्यूटिंग एसआर ग्रुप की कंपनी ने भारत में एआई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंफोर्मेशन सिस्टम को मजबूत करने के लिए लॉन्च किया मेक इन इंडिया एआई सर्वर। इस सर्वर की गुणवत्ता और खासियत यह रही कि शक्तिशाली कंप्यूटिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में दो में नवाचार की रीढ़ बनेगा। एल्टास के मेक इन इंडिया एआई सर्वर पोर्टफोलियो के लॉन्च के साथ उन्होंने कहा कि स्थानीय स्तर पर यह डिजिटल रीढ़ की तैयार करने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम होगा। यह कहना था एसआर इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट और एमडी हरीश कोहली का। दिल्ली से कुलवंत कौर के साथ बंसीलाल की रिपोर्ट पर। चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। थैंक यू।
And for spotting the opportunity early on. I think if you look at, and why do I say that, for spotting the opportunity early on? Because if you look at the total server market for the world as such, is roughly about in the range of 400 to 450 billion US dollar, and presently India constitutes roughly about 1% of the total of the world's server demand. Roughly about 4.5 billion is our expected demand for the servers. And out of this 450 billion US dollar per server, I think AI server itself this year at least is expected to constitute about 150 to 180 billion dollar. And this 150 to 180 billion dollar is expected to grow up to about 900 billion dollar, close to $1 trillion maybe by 2030-31. So that is the opportunity which we have here for the AI server in the world. For the AI server space, I think this essential infrastructure is actually so much necessary for any country to have it, because just like any country ought to have a roads or a highways or a railways for its economy to grow. So therefore it's important, equally important for every country to have this data center. I mean, we have to look at it that lens. I mean, it's a critical infrastructure for your economy, not only
as long as the architecture continues, and it's the same architecture that you use on your smartphone that continues to blossom and you continue to enjoy the benefit of it. This is called the general purpose compute. Our belief was if everything is good at something, there must be something which is not good at something. And that something was not good, where there was a graphics, thanks to Jurassic Park, was one ability. Rationalizing, believing in that, the company decided we are going to pursue that, but without forgetting the promise of PCs. Many of you know that the promise of PC was about volume. And how could you get into a niche algorithm that will only give you
or Bangkok? Interesting I found is there are more and more Taiwanese on the same plane to India together. Taiwan, we are good on semiconductor manufacturing, ICT product manufacturing. So definitely there will be more and more opportunity for these two countries to cooperate together, especially in the AI world. And hopefully, Atos, part of Asia member, can do some contribution. That we want to base on India and then grow outside of India. This will be our commitment and also our journey. Thank you.
From the edge to the data center, Altos is your partner in reliability, scalability, and cutting-edge AI. Redefining collaboration. Altos interactive flat panels deliver a seamless platform from quad-core to octa-core across 4 sizes, scaling up to a powerful 98 inches. Designed to drive AI-powered whiteboard features and enable superior connectivity, they are equipped with the latest Android 14 and cutting-edge technology such as Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, bringing advanced architectures, enterprise-grade reliability, and advanced GPU acceleration. Altos workstations power AI development, simulation, connectivity research to national power grids, The R370 is Bharat's essential compute layer. In the heart of the enterprise, the R380 is a high-density marvel. This 2U powerhouse supports dual 6th-gen Intel Xeon processors, crushing massive workloads from cloud scalability to smart manufacturing with ease. The future of compute. Altos, scalable solutions for an AI-driven world. We are no longer waiting for the future. The future is waiting for us. Altos, a legacy of power, engineered for the most demanding frontiers of computing. We don't just...
Invite on stage Mr. Vishal Bhupur, Mr. Jackie Lee, Mr. P.P. Sunilachan.
Create a space for Indian EMS vendors, prove that India's hardware capability is as good as India's software capabilities when it comes to launching the products. We also want to ensure that when we participate in the government tenders, not only just the solutions, the entire hardware stack coming from India. Over a period of time, this will push the ecosystem to create more and more products in India. We will be able to push some of our OEM vendors to start developing the chip also in India. So somewhere the journey needs to start, and here is the start with the server launch. Right now, the percentages of Indian components could be probably lower, but we are making a start, and we are sure that in the days to come, we will have much more of India localization happening on the servers and the larger product lines happening. So that way we feel the journey needs to start today, but we will definitely move up in the ladder.